Hey there! If you want to jazz up your bedroom without spending big bucks, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you 5 budget-friendly bedroom decor ideas that you can try out today. They are simple, fun, and will give your bedroom a cozy and stylish makeover. I am James from Drilling Nerd. Let's dive in. Craft your own headboard. First up, let's talk about creating your own headboard. Instead of shelling out a bunch of cash, grab some basic materials like wood, fabric, foam, buttons, nails, glue, and paint. Get creative, you can even use palettes, old doors, books, or plants to make a unique headboard. It's a fantastic way to add charm to bed space without burning a hole in your pocket. Wall magic with murals. Next, consider spicing up your wall with a mural. Murals can be a stunning focal point, making your bedroom feel more spacious and artistic. You can find affordable options online or create your own with some paint and brushes. If commitment is not your thing, removable wallpaper, stickers, or decals are great alternatives. It's an easy and budget-friendly way to transform your bedroom's vibe. Illuminate with sconces. Now, let's brighten things up with sconces. These wall-mounted lights add warmth and ambience to your bedroom, saving space on your nightstand. Find sconces in different shapes and colors or make your own using jars, candles, or fairy lights. They are simple and elegant solution to enhance your bedroom's lighting without the need for an electrician. Bring nature in with plants. Time to go green with plants. Not only do they freshen up your space, but they also purify air and boost your mood. Opt for low maintenance plants like succulents or go for colorful flowers. Use pots, baskets, or shelves to display them creatively. Plants are an affordable and healthy way to bring life to your bedroom. Embrace dried flowers. Lastly, consider dried flowers. They add beauty and touch of romance to your bedroom and last a long time. You can buy them or make your own using fresh flowers, a book, and some paper. Arrange them in vases, jars, or frames, or get crafty with garlands and wall hangings. Dried flowers are a charming and cost-effective way to spruce up your bedroom. Let's wrap up our budget-friendly bedroom decor ideas. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. Visit my website at drillingnerd.com for additional home improvement and DIY insights. Thanks for tuning in and catch you in the next video. Bye.